Hey, do you want to learn how to use Jitter AI Brainstorm? In this video, I'll show you how to use it. So let's get to it. On jitter.video, you need to sign up for an account. After that, you can click on here to create a new file. So we're inside the editor now. I'm going to copy this file from here and paste it here. Now, in order to use the Jitter AI Brainstorm, you need to find this icon on the top right of your design. So just press on it, and it's going to say this on the left-hand side. Hi, I'm Ollie, need a spark. You can brainstorm a nice intro for scene 1. What style would you like to explore? So you can click on either of these. So cinematic, playful, bold, soft, elegant. Let's go with playful here, and let's click on this brainstorm. What this AI will do is it's going to automatically detect the design, and then it's going to animate it without you doing anything. I'm also going to show you how to import the Figma files and then do the same process. And there you go. It has now animated it without you doing anything. You just clicked on it and asked it to make it a playful animation. Now, in order to animate your Figma files, you need to go over to Figma first, and then inside any of your designs, you need to click here on the top left main menu, then go to plugins and click on manage plugins. Now inside it, you need to search for Jitter. Click on it, and then it's going to ask you to select a frame or a layer to get started. So we're going to select this whole thing. This is the thumbnail layer. We're going to copy it. Now it is copied to our clipboard. Now we can paste it in a Jitter file with Ctrl+V. So we go back to our Figma file here, add a new artboard, a scene from here by clicking on this first button on the top. Then this is our scene 2. We're going to click in it and then press Ctrl+V in order to paste that over here. Now let's press on this brainstorm icon and make it playful again. Press on brainstorm. And there you go. The designs are now animated with the help of AI Brainstorm. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use the AI Brainstorm inside Jitter video. And I've also shown you how to import the Figma files over to Jitter. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Jitter and Figma related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.